So here is how to understand consistency so you can be more consistent. If I asked you to run 30 miles over 30 days, could you do it? Some of you, maybe the 1%. But if I asked you to run 2 miles every single day for 30 days, I think that most of you are much more likely to be able to achieve that. So when we look at the two different models, when we look at the top, the outcome that I've asked you versus the conditioning, there is this huge deficit, which means that the bigger that deficit, the harder it is to stay consistent. Then we look at the model here, the outcome and the conditioning are much closer. So the deficit is much smaller. So it's much more likely that you can stay consistent with this challenge. So when we look at the equation of consistency equals your expectations over your conditioning, and if we can manage that, we can allow ourselves to be much more consistent with the things that we're trying to do that help us reach our potential.